Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. You know, we're gonna be where we gonna go? In Aklan. Say hi. Hi, Bree. Yes, her name is Bree. And my brother. Yes. Hello, Blix. We're going home now, okay? Yes, mommy's there. Ayun guys, ihahatid namin sila, yung makukulit. I'm happy that they visit us here in Santa Cruz. They're going home to Aklan. Bree, say hi first. Bree, say hi first. Hi guys. Hi. Thank you for watching. Yes, ayun, ang cute ni Bree, no? Ayan, cute niyan. Ayun lang guys, pupunta kami ng Aklan. Ihahatid namin sila. Sabay pasyal na din. Road trip. Yeah, road trip kami. Yes. Ng aming family. Yeah. Not complete yet. Yes. Ano pa lang yan? Mga isang guhit pa lang. You know, kapag sa kilohan, isang one ano pa lang, guhit. Like that. One line only. Yes. What's that? Why you bring my Barbie? That's mine. That's Ate Abby. Did you borrow? Ate Abby, say Ate Abby. You said Brie. You said like this, Ate Abby. Can I borrow Barbie, please? Kay Jingjing wala yun. Akala ko kay Ate Abby. Kay Jingjing pala, sorry. It's wrong. Ayun lang guys, bye. Have a nice day. Say hi first. Hi. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say hey. Sabi mo, Bre. Baby Shark, Bre. Do you know how to sing Baby Shark? Baby Shark, where are you? Yun ba yun? Ay, hindi pala, hindi ko alam. Nagre-ready na siya, wag ganon-ganon. Si Jingjing na umiiyak ng Baby Shark na kanta, hindi ko pala alam yun. Sorry, it's wrong. Bye.